Hey everybody, it's Handyman Hank here. Today, we're going to put in some garage shelves. You can see here that we got kind of a lot of things in here that need to get stored away, and there's a lot more in a storage unit too. So, we're going to go ahead and put some shelves up along the top of this place, up in there, and they're going to be 4-foot shelves that come out into the room, and we can put all of these plastic boxes up there. And we're going to do it here, and we're going to do that over here too. So you can see there's lots of room up there. Probably won't put the golf cart up there. That would be too hard to put it up on the shelf. But sorry, moving along. So we're going to put all those shelves up there, and there's lots of good stuff to put up there. So we're going to get started, and here's our lumber right here. Let me move over there and you can see. Here's our lumber. And so we'll be using these 2x4s and this stuff here, and we'll build a little kind of frame with them, and then we'll put that on there, and I'll show you how that looks. So let's get started, but first I need to clean up, so I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so we got all this cleaned out, and that's the wood we're going to use for the shelves. This is all ready to start putting shelves up. And then over here, this is all ready too, cleared out. I have a wonderful table saw and a miter saw set up there and a nice workbench. So we're ready to get started. Let's do it. All right, so now what we're going to do is put some shelves along there and around there and over here along there. And this is what the shelves look like. These shelves are pretty big. They're 4 feet this way and 8 feet that way. That's going to store a lot of stuff in there. You have that much stuff to store?
Sure do.
Oh, okay. I guess we're going to put a bunch of those shelves up then. All right, let's get going. Well, here it is, day 2 of our project. You can see we brought everything inside. So we took all of that back in here. But you can also see that we got that shelf up, and it's full of things already right there. You can see all that stuff piled in there. So we got all this over here out of the way so we can work on shelves on this side over here today. That'll be a lot easier. And this side is cleaner today too, so we don't have that much to move out. So we'll get started here in just a second. All right, so this is our progress. You saw this shelf already, and now we've got 2 more down here. Can you see that? There's one over there, and there's one there. Nothing up there yet. And we changed our construction style so that we're using steel cable there instead of like over here. We used 2x4. We were a little worried about this part of the 2x4. It might not be quite strong enough for all that weight, but we wanted to go with an eye bolt through here and an eye bolt up there, and then steel cable that's able to handle lots of that load. And we also added this steel across here because this one's already bowing a little. Can you see how it's kind of coming down like this? So hopefully this steel will give that edge a little more structure. So we're going to keep going over here and put some shelves along in here, here, and here. I think we've got 4 shelves planned in here. So we're all ready. Got all of our tools, and we've cleaned up a little bit. So we'll get started here. All right, so we got this shelf up and this shelf up, and there'll be another shelf to go here. That's what we have here, and probably one here and maybe one there. So a little bit more work to do. This is what it looks like in here now. Really a whole lot better. Just so happens that we have to, we'll park the golf cart in here, but those shelves are up there and ready to put things on. So some of this will go on those shelves up there. All right, so here we go. That shelf's up there. That shelf's up there. That one's up there. All these shelves are up here. And so we are done with the shelves. We just have some cleanup to do. You can see here. Well, there we go, folks. It's all done. There's the shelf up there. Oops. There we go. You can see that one all the way across there. And over there. Over there. And up here. Lots of shelf space. We'll take a closer look. You can see how that looks up there. Those steel cables that run along there. There's steel cables there. And all the way up in there. That's what it looks like down below. There'll be lots of great storage up there above in the garage. And up here, you can already see, like we said before, you can see all those boxes up there. And here's this one up here. There you go, now you can see it. The steel cables. We kind of just piled all the tools back in here for now because we were done for the day. We'll get that sorted out at some point. So, we're all done. Thanks for watching. Hope you have good luck with your shelves in your garage. Bye! Strongest Santa in the world, holding that ladder up with one hand. Way to go, Santa! Woohoo!